we're back again with another DIY. I hope you guys are ready to get into it. Today's DIY is brought to you with a collab by Fabulous Design on a Budget and Diva Designing on a Dime. Bar cart special for the summer. Definitely want to make sure you guys participate with this playlist. Definitely encourage others, and I hope you guys enjoy. Here we're going to go ahead and replace it with some scrap woods that we were able to find just lying around. This one on the ground is one that was used with epoxy. Hey guys, I wanted to go ahead and show you how much we appreciate you guys by sending some love. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. We're going to go ahead and pick some lemon balm for our drink that we have in store for you guys. Gonna make it a little bit different for this collab. In addition to the lemon balm, you're gonna need some lemons, some sugar. We're using cane sugar here, and this is about the amount of lemon balm. I'm gonna use 2 lemons. Sugar, we're gonna use half of this, and definitely a pitcher to hold the contents. You're gonna take your lemon balm and drop it into the pitcher, all of it. And if you're smart, you're gonna actually set aside some stems so that you can put into your drink later on. Don't forget to do that. Next, I go ahead and add the sugar. This isn't required. You can add the ingredients in whichever manner you choose. This is just the method that I chose. Now I'm gonna go ahead and peel my lemons. Make sure you wash the lemons well because you're gonna actually use the hull of the lemon inside our drink. And here's what we have left. Now we're gonna go ahead and place the hulls inside our pitcher, and we're about to be able to just let it set for approximately 15 minutes after we get the water all prepared. And here's where I'm setting the water, and we're gonna go ahead and let it start to boil. It'll take a little while, and you don't have to stand over this. This is why I love this wireless kettle. I'm gonna use about 3.5 bottles of water. Just my preference, I don't like tap water, so I use bottled water. While we wait on the water, let's check on the boys. It looks like they're well on their way to having this table all restored. Looks pretty nice, don't you think? Now back to the water. We're gonna pour it on top. Just let it sit, and this is the fun part because all you have to do is pour, stir, and walk away. Now here's a stress reliever because we're gonna mash all the ingredients inside in order to release the flavors that's inside. I told you that would be fun. Here's the table with 2 coats of paint. Looking pretty nice. This next DIY is by Scrapbooking by 3 Stars. Go visit her page, guys. Let's get into the fun. And here's everything as it comes together. Our bar cart is finally decorated and complete. This is what you're gonna do with the leftover lemons. You're gonna squeeze them into the glass, and then you're gonna put a stem from your lemon balm into the glass. It gives it a nice presentation and an amazing splash of flavor. And here's some chalk from Dollar Tree to go with our DIY chalkboards. Aren't they cute? Here's another setup for the adults. Enjoy. And one last DIY for the adults. I think you guys are gonna love this. You're gonna grab a palette or two, maybe 3 or 4, depending on your guess. Take the backing off, and then you're gonna go ahead and grab this moss, and we're gonna trace out the crates. Can you guess? Can you guess what I'm making? Leave it in the comments below. If you guessed that I'm making coasters, then you are right. Refreshing. Now sit back, kick off your heels, and relax. I hope you guys enjoyed this DIY presentation of our summer bar cart, and join our family so that you can see many more endeavors. Enjoy!